Now in this topic, definite integral, I want to discuss with you very important result, that how to obtain the integration in the given interval by using the concept as integration as the limit of sum. Integration as the limit of sum is a kind of derivation, is a kind of discussion where a general proof of each of the problem can be obtained. The rule to obtain the integration as the limit of sum is here. This is the formula. If a is the lower limit and b is the upper limit, fx is any function. So the integration of fx from a to b, directly it can be written as what? Suppose its integration, that is integration of fx is phi x. Then what will be the answer? Phi of b minus phi of a. But if we break it as per the requirement of the problem limit of sum, then the formula, the result which you always need to register in your mind is limit h tending to 0. Limit h tending to 0, h times of f of a, that is the value of function at lower limit, plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h plus dot 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 plus f of a plus n minus 1 into h. Ultimately, we have separated the entire part in the n parts of equal width h, where h is what? H is b minus a upon n. Here n, this is b, this is a, and h is very small thickness nearby equal to 0. So if in any problem it is asked that evaluate, calculate, find the derivative in the definite integral in the given limits using limit as sum, then this important formula you always need to remember. With the help of this formula, we can calculate the problem of integration, and otherwise we will use the direct result. So important task is to notice what is a, lower limit, what is b, upper limit, what is fx function, what is h is b minus a upon n. Now in order to explain you in detail, I am taking an example. With the help of this example, you will be able to notice how to apply in the case if limit of sum is given to evaluate a problem. Question is, evaluate integration from 1 to 3. The lower limit is 1 and the upper limit is 3 and function is 2x plus 1. Integrate 1 to 3 2x plus 1 dx as limit of sum. The question directly is very easy. Reason being, its derivative is x square, its derivative is x. So the derivative of 2x plus 1 become x square plus x, and upper limit is needs to be taken 3 and lower 1, and can be obtained very ordinary way, but the concept is added here as limit of sums. Then we are bound to do it with this perfect method. Here we have a, the lower limit 1, upper limit 3, function whose derivative is required fx is 2x plus 1. I already told you what is h. Answer of h is b minus a upon n. So here the answer of h become b means 3, this is 3, b minus a means 1 upon n. If we go to multiply it, we will get nh is equals to 2. The answer of nh become 2 because h when multiplied with n, it gives us nh is equals to 2. Now We have obtained nh. What is h? Limit h tending to 0. What is n? N is the number of parts in which the function is broken. Now we need to calculate f of 1. We have function fx equals to 2x plus 1. So f of 1 is what? 3. If we put here 1, f of 1 is equals to 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. Then in place of x, we need to put a plus h. A means 1 and h means h. So a 1 plus h. So if we put 1 plus h here, we will get f of 1 plus h is equals to 2 into 1 plus h plus 1, that is 3 plus 2h. Similarly, next is a plus 2h. So function's value at 1 plus 2h comes 3 plus 4h plus dot dot dot, and last we need to take f of a plus n minus 1 into h. F of a plus n minus 1 into h, if we talk about, that will be f of 1 plus n minus 1 into h. When in place of x we put this value, we will get it is 3 plus 2 into n minus 1 into h. So ultimately we have obtained fa plus h, fa plus 2h, f of a plus n minus 1 into h, and this should be under the concept of limit h tending to 0 h times.